just under 2 minutes to launch. You can see this is the fairing. Our satellite is in there. Vega is standing tall on the pad. We have 3 working launch zones here at the Guyana Space Center. 1 for each of our 3 rockets. And this is the Vega launch site. It was built on the first Ariane launch pad. That was Ariane 1. Lifted off on the 24th of December 1979, and you can see here all the invited guests who were inside the Mission Control Center now coming out onto the balcony so that they can watch the launch with their own eyes.
À tous de DDO, attention pour moins 1 minute. Top, à 0 moins 1 minute.
And we are 1 minute to launch. Our best wishes to all the teams, to the Mohammed 6B satellite teams and the Kingdom of Morocco, to the Industrial Consortium led by Thales Alenia Space and Airbus, and to the teams on the ground waiting to take charge of their satellite. Good luck, everyone. Let's sit back and watch.
À tous de DDO, attention pour les décomptes finales. Dix, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, top. Allumage P80, décollage. La propulsion est nominale. Acquisition de la télémesure par la station de Saint-Jean.
They are off. The Mohammed 6B satellite is on its way. It's started its journey. Vega, flight number 13, blazing a trail across the equatorial skies over the Guyana Space Center. He's telling us that everything on board is going according to plan. Right now, Vega is pushing itself away from the pull of our Earth. Gravity makes us stick to our planet, but it also makes it hard to leave. And we need an awful lot of firepower to do that.
La propulsion est nominale.
Getting deeper and deeper into space. We're burning the engine on the P80, the first stage.
Séparation P80.
And we saw it burn out there and separate. We actually saw that with our own eyes. And we had that confirmed by the range operations manager, who has also confirmed that we've now switched on the next engine, the Z23. Z for Zafiro, an Italian wind, type of wind, rather like the Sirocco or the Mistral. 23, because it burns 23 tons of propellant. Our altitude on the bottom left, he's telling us everything's going normally. Altitude, we are 83 kilometers above the Earth. Can you see it there? And our speed on the bottom right is 3 kilometers per second. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, that's fast, and we will be going faster. Our trajectory on the top right-hand side is the planned trajectory. The curve is a simulated curve, and the cross is the actual position of the launch vehicle. We've gone above the 100-kilometre mark above our planet. That means we're now entering space. That's the border with space. And if you look at our image on the right-hand side of the screen, you can see that nose of the vehicle that we were talking about earlier. That is the fairing, we call it, protecting the satellite from the rigours of the launch. This is the scheduled moment, and indeed confirmation that the Z23 stage has now burnt out and had been jettisoned.
Allumage Z9.
And we've switched on the Z9.
Largage de la coiffe.
And we have jettisoned the fairing. We don't need it anymore. We are in space. There's hardly any friction. And we can see our satellite for the first time. There it is on the right side of the rocket, the gold structure. It's all folded up for now, and later it'll unfold its solar panels once it's separated, just like a butterfly emerging from a chrysalis and unfolding its wings.